Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor and YouTube, where the watches are the stars. But with me now, the star is Niels Eggerding. He is the CEO of FREDERIQUE CONSTANT and ALPINA. Of course, you know that. Niels is in charge of two brands that really perform like crazy, because what they are doing is they offer real value for the money. And value for the money will be the theme of this little conversation, because I got a little brief from Niels before, and I was speechless, really speechless, Niels.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
Let's start with the most important one for us, with the manufacturer.
Yeah.
So last year, 35th years anniversary, big anniversary for us. We celebrated big.
Yeah.
First time Watches and Wonders that we joined.
Sitting just over there and doing the interview, I remember.
Yeah. That's where they say Elon Musk. So we launched in that time the Tourbillon.
Yeah.
Just shy below 15,000 euro, 39mm case, a redesigned classic manufacturer direction. We later in the year, to celebrate 35th years anniversary, we launched a complete new caliber. Moon face, big date, power reserve. Mm-hmm. 3 functionalities in one caliber. So now, here we are again, 24 Watches and Wonders, and we are going back to the entry price of manufacturer. And I'm going to present to you, proudly, 40mm case. It's an edition where it's slightly different than a Tourbillon, because we have added, let's say, a DNA-driven face where you can see the upgrade of power reserve. It is a 3-hands version, 40mm case. It's a 72-hour power reserve.
Listen, something you criticized a lot, I remember in the comments, saying, yeah, we like these calibers, but the power reserve. 72 hours of power reserve now. 72 hours of power reserve.
And I listen also to the comments. That's why we did that.
Of course you do.
Exactly. Pointer date, moon face,
yeah.
And it has, let's say, a minute train track.
Yeah.
And a red 31 date. So that's really the recognition for the power reserve upgrade. Stainless steel version. In the manufacturer, we don't have gold plated anymore. It's stainless steel or precious gold. Here, this is stainless steel. Price, 3,895. 5 ATM. 5 years warranty.
50 meters waterproof, upgrade to the movement. I assume that not only the power reserve has been increased, but little details have been also improved in the movement. Or as you learn over the years, you have been doing some adjustments. It is a better movement. It is a movement with a longer power reserve.
Yeah.
And you paid
3,895.
This is just crazy. When you walk around here and you get to know what some charge for their watches, and then you see this, it's really, you have something in your hand, it looks good. I have to say, wow. I just have to say, wow.
Thank you.
No, it's...
We did our best.
Yeah, and this is what the brand stands for, by the way.
I agree.
Yeah.
Innovation, disruption.
Yeah.
We do things differently. But for us, we have a lot of value for the price.
Yeah.
That's, I think, what's needed now in the market.
Yeah.
We went a bit crazy the past years. Luxury was everywhere. You could ask what you want for a watch. And I think it has been trending down a bit to a normality.
Let's say the correction was very much necessary.
Yes.
Some got crazy a little bit, yeah. They were just overdoing it, in my humble opinion. But
I agree.
Okay.
Now we have a few additions here. The main aspect of the movement, we have redeveloped a 10 years old, proven, strong movement with small adjustments from the main plate. We enlarged the barrel with 20%, but also the spiral is slimmer and longer. And with that, from 38 to 72 hour power reserve, 5% extra even to cover. What my team worked on, they didn't reduce the hertz. So I wanted to keep the accuracy and the precision.
So it's a 4 hertz movement.
It's a 4 hertz movement.
So no trick, no tricks.
No trick.
It could be mentioned because some gain power reserve by reducing from 4 hertz to 3 hertz movements, but it's not the same. No. Because once you shock the watch, a 4 hertz watch will quicker recover and stabilize or come back to stability and then not lose or gain time. And this is what we call deviation.
Yeah,
but it's true.
No, it's true. That's what, I mean, we stand for quality. We want to be different. So that's also what I give my team. So guys, we need to do this, but then also with the 4 hertz. This is the FC716. Beautiful green. Very nice, I have to say. Bestseller of the show. The green.
In green?
Yeah.
Your bestseller?
It's the bestseller.
British racing, kind of a British racing
green.
It's
a very nice green. People like it. It's great. We have also a gold later coming. With a silver dial. Yeah. We have also still even a very exceptional piece in white gold later.
Later. And now comes the real sensation in terms of prices. Now sit back, relax.
And then we go to Your favorite?
Favorite in terms of what you get
Price
and
value.
what you have to pay for it. I can't say if it is my favorite because I haven't seen all the watches yet. But in terms of what you get, this for now
It's
is
a
my
full
favorite.
package. So this is, let's say, the caliber 706, FC 706. Here we don't have a moon face. We have a point of date 3 hands edition. And this is the entry price of manufacture. €3,295, including taxes.
Yeah, this could have been the trick, but this wasn't the trick.
Including taxes, yeah, true.
3,200.
€95. 72-hour power reserve, 5 years warranty, 5 ATM. So we have again a lot of value for the price.
You have,
I hope it's going to be very successful.
I'm sure it will be. Figuring out what you get and how the watches look like. And if you have the occasion to go for a touch and feel for one of these watches, just go because you should have it in your hands. And if some now say, okay, but they must be cheaply made, maybe not correctly polished. You know, I'm touching the case here and I can tell you there's not a single sharp edge on it. It's really smoothened. Looks good. Even, you know, golden rules of watchmaking have been respected, and this is something I'm so happy to see. The length of the minute hand touches the minuterie. You say this is something not special? Then please go on the internet, Google who you want to know, and look if they do this correct. And these are golden rules. The length of the hour hand has to touch the indexes, and you respect things, you do it better, you offer quality. This is something I really have to say. I'm excited to see this because it is necessary and important that people, instead of spending money for whatsoever, maybe say I start with my first mechanical wristwatch, I enjoy what I get and I really get a good quality, and you are offering this. So you're a door opener for the entire industry in a level that is really incredible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, you are a
I
door
could
opener.
not say it better than you do.
Yeah, but
now.
you are a door opener, and this is so necessary because sometimes we are showing watches, especially on occasions here, Watches and Wonders. You get a watch in 600,000, 250,000, and we do this like, okay, if everybody would be able to just take out his wallet and say, okay, let's get and pay this, that's not reality. Reality is people have to save money. Reality is that they have to discuss it with the family, and then the wife says, okay, you go for it. That's life.
Sure. Absolutely.
Bravo.
Thank you.
Bravo, really bravo. I'm excited, as you can see.
Yeah, you very.
Even it's late today.
And it's the last appointment. So can you
Yeah,
imagine?
but I was
We-
looking forward to it.
We had a whole day already, and now we're still here together.
Yeah.
Very exciting, both.
Yes.
So here, this is men. We have
Yeah.
several editions, different color
Yes,
variations.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
show you 3. Here, I just want to show you this because it's very creative, I think. 4 editions we have. We have quartz diamonds, we have automatics, we have a green, we have this color, we have without diamonds, with diamonds. This is the top product. This is really a higher position product with a full set of diamonds, not lab grown, real diamonds. Also in the center of dial with the mother of pearl, you see still a ring with diamond set. It's an automatic movement, Sellita SW200. It has interchangeable straps. It comes with an extra strap matching the color of the moon face. And the trick here is the creativity, is that my creative director designed the moon specially together with Sellita, who's making it exclusive for us. And this we call the kissing moon. So I think there's a bit of creativity. You like it or you don't like it. I like this color combination very much. So I'm happy with this
A
one.
moon phase is always a romantic complication. It was a romantic complication. It will be a romantic complication. And if you now look on the dial and you have kissing faces, this is like, yes.
But this is the higher price, €4,295.
Okay.
Full diamonds, but it starts with €2,000 without the diamonds on the bezel.
Yeah, but as you said, not artificially grown diamonds, real diamonds,
Real
mother
diamonds,
of
yeah.
pearl. What you want?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
And I love it. It's so nice. The moon phase. Yeah, I love it.
It's nice. It's nice.
It
Very
is.
good, very successful. We
I-
didn't
I-
expect. We were more positioned as a talking piece, but the reactions are amazing. So I'm very happy.
Yeah.
I started this, and of course my whole team said it's a bit high end, it's a bit special, and then you start to be insecure. And you think, it's going to be successful.
You should have asked me, and I would have told you.
Next time I do that.
No, but the moon phase has always been named or always been called a romantic complication. Especially for women, it is something. The kissing moon phase, very nice. Oh,
It's unique.
surprising me.
Thank you.
And value for the money, of course.
Value for money.
Yeah, then to continue with Alpina, on the other hand side,
Yeah.
you launched a diver and a GMT,
Yeah.
correct?
Last year we introduced together, also on your video, we had the Alpiner Extreme.
Yeah, I remember.
Alpiner Extreme,
Yeah.
mountain.
Yeah, but it was quite a big watch.
It was a 42mm case, integrated bracelet. The bracelet is available for this also. This is going to be the C-Strong. So we have Alpiner, C-Strong, the two collections, and we have still the Air, the start timer. So here we designed a 39mm case. So it's condensed. It's 300 meters water resistant. It has a ceramic bezel.
Ceramic. Very
And
nice.
you see the elevation of the polished numbers in ceramic.
Yeah.
Turning. This is a talking piece, orange, automatic, SW200, screw down crown. And this is just shy below 2,000 euro.
Speechless.
It's very nice.
Value for the money once again.
Same edition.
Same edition.
But this is my favorite
blue,
actually.
yes.
Blue and the anthracite black ceramic bezel.
Yeah.
And it combines really nice with the stainless steel, the black bezel, and the very dark blue dial. Same package, same pricing, no difference.
Very
You have
nice.
to experience it a bit. And then we have one GMT by a directional turning bezel, ceramic again, same principle, 24-hour ceramic disc, lunette, screw down crown, 300 meter water resistant, and an SW200 GMT movement.
Yeah, with an indication of a second zone time.
Yeah, 2,400 euro.
Value for the money.
Yes.
Value for the money. Oh la la.
And this we have in variations, dark, we have it in silver, we have it with the bracelet, we have it with the rubber, so all kind of variations.
We have just been choosing some of the watches. In case your watch is not being shown on screen, go to their website and you will find all of them. But at least we show you the watch. We will do wrist shots so you can see it, how it looks like. But if you want to discover more, their website is the place to go.
Thank you.
I don't know what to say. I was asking Niels, how can you earn money with these watches? And he said, yeah, a little bit. I think it's only a little bit. No, but this is really fascinating.
Sure, it's a very aggressive package.
Yeah, but you have to do it.
We stand for value for the price, and I
Yeah.
think we bring even more value today. And we didn't innovate on the base manufacture, the entry price manufacture, for a long time. It's 10 years in the collection. So it was a bit oversized, 38mm power reserve. So it deserved an upgrade.
Yeah, but
So
72 hours
nice.
of power reserve is really, you are there where others should be.
Let them move, we will stay.
Yeah, but you have to be always ahead of time a little bit.
Sure.
Once they come to 72, then you are maybe at 100 and something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, sure.
Niels Eggerding, CEO of FREDERIQUE CONSTANT ALPINA. It is always a pleasure to talk to you. Thanks again to be part of our way of communicating about watches. You see me being passionate. Why am I passionate? Because I am not only thinking in 6 or 7 digit numbers, 200,000, 600,000, 2 million. I want you guys to buy a mechanical wristwatch instead of buying any other gimmicks. If you want to go mechanical, think about FREDERIQUE CONSTANT ALPINA and you will not be disappointed.
Write comments, I read them. I'm always interested. Thank you.
You see, he is not only a cool guy, he's also reading our comments. I love it. Okay, thank you very much out there, wherever you're watching this video, for watching it or having watched it. Having watched it, yeah. I am still able to say it correctly. Niels, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye, guys, and stay tuned on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. There is much more to come. Bye-bye.
Thank you.